today we're going to be installing the Fanttik 4K dash cam. What this does is it will go right there on my dash and it'll be able to record when it senses motion, and I'll be able to monitor my vehicle at all times. It's a real easy installation. All I have to use is this double-sided sticky tape, stick it to the windshield. This will slide in and then it'll be perfectly mounted, guys. So stay tuned, we'll show you how we do it. Brand new 2021 TRX. It's real easy to install, guys. All I have to do is mount it and then plug this power cord in, USB-C, and then plug the USB into a power outlet anywhere in the vehicle. So stay tuned, guys. We'll show you how it's done. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. Again, all you have to do is slide this baby in, and then we can mount this to the dash, okay? So we're gonna stick this baby right here next to the radar detector. Like I said, we'll just stick it to the glass real good. Make sure you clean your surface first. And then, like I said, all you have to do is slide this baby in. So I actually have a USB port right here. So we're gonna plug in that and then plug it into the side as so. There we go. Got it plugged in. All right.
Hello, Fanttik.
We got a status light that said, "Hey, Fanttik." So, and bam, there we are, blue. I think that's live. So now all we need to do is download the app, and then we'll see what we got, guys. All right, guys, check out the view. Look at that. That 4K is so crisp and clean. Turn your phone sideways. You can see the full view right here. You can see how fast you're going, the GPS, the direction you're going. You can also take a snapshot and save your video recordings directly to your phone or share it with others. One of my favorite features is that the unit will cut off after 15 minutes of no motion, so your car battery won't die. As well as, if it senses any motion, it'll start recording whenever you're away from your car. So it's really nice. It's safe storage, has 4K quality. This is a really nice dash cam from Fanttik. If you want to purchase this unit, you can do so from the link in my bio, guys. There you go, Kermit with QuickTech, signing out.